Hi. So yesterday I got spontaneously a thought that I want to do a morning walk. Everybody, everyone is talking about these morning walks. So I decided to go to bed really early. I didn't sleep much, maybe an hour and a half at combined. Should been up 5:30 a.m. But I went up 4:30 a.m. because I couldn't sleep. So um, I went up and got ready for my walk. As usual, I forgot to prepare something, so it took longer than usual than it should have. But now I am about 5 kilometers into my walk, and yeah. Whoops, I'm sleeping here. It's raining a bit, so I hope for sunny morning walks with spider nets and water drops in it and stuff like that. But it didn't happen. Now I have to take something to eat. Before I went away, right when I woke up, I took my first drink, and that was apple cider vinegar with pulp, or mother as they call it, and some essential amino acids and spirulina and wheatgrass powder. And because I'm a training freak, I took my citrulline and my creatine, and I went up and I did my morning routine, bathroom, wash your face and stuff like that, getting dressed. I forgot to put my clothes together, so I had to look for clothes to wear and stuff like that, drag the time out. So when I've done that, I'm ready for my second shake, and that was EAAs again. This before I had 15 grams, this time it was 30 grams, and I guess it was 40 grams of cladribine dextrine. That's a carbohydrate that absorbs very fast but has a long duration in the body. That's very good to me because my digestion system, and because I have trouble with low blood sugars, so this carb doesn't spike insulin. That's great for me. And these essential amino acids are very good because they are pre-digested protein, so that doesn't bother my stomach at all. So I can move around and stuff like that. If I eat real protein and try to walk, that's not gonna happen. I feel really sick, and I hardly can walk. I feel that ill. So, but now I'm ready for my second meal, or meal. Should I call it meal? It's not really a meal. I'm gonna have 15 grams of amino acids, essential amino acids, and 40 grams? No. 20 grams of cluster dextrine. And yeah, that's probably it. I don't know where to put you guys because it's really slippery here. I'm on a wet rock. I'm gonna lay you down for a time. I have a plastic bag that I'm gonna sit on because it's all wet here. That's all I could find at home. At least I thought of that. I don't know if these actually cover my butt or if I'm going to end up with a wet spot on my butt. That's not so attractive. But what can you do? See if I can find my shaker here. My shaker. I got my water, and I have 2 meals because I had in mind to have a longer walk. And these amino acids I've been talking about, these essential amino acids, doesn't last very long in the body, so you have to take them in quite often. That's why I have to eat already, and that's why I have to eat again before I can come home. That's it. Hello guys, I'm still here, getting my drink ready. So it's about 16 Celsius outside and raining, but not too much. It's quiet. Haven't met one person yet. That's because it's so early, I guess. But I met a few animals, a lot of rabbits, some deers, and actually I was expecting more birds. I haven't heard a lot of birds. That's too bad, I love birds. See? This drink tastes really well. It's warm, I don't. So I'm ready to drink my drink. Already soon 7 minutes. I have to show I don't know what you think about these shoes. Can you see them? I love my Vibrams. It's the only shoes I can wear because I have such bad feet. My toes are crossing each other, so I get such pain, and I can't wear any cushion shoes either, because then I get really bad pain in my knees, my back, and stuff like that. And with my injuries, I have to wear flat shoes, because otherwise I will lean forward, and that's not good for my injuries. First, I wanted to do this video while I was walking, but I can't do that because of my injury. Now I'm going to drink my drink, and it's not very exciting, so I'm going to let you go, and maybe I do another video when I get home. I'm going to eat a delicious pancake for my real breakfast when I come home. I love my pancakes. Yay. I'm looking so damn tired, I can see that. And because it was raining, I couldn't have my hair let out. I hate having my hair up like this because I look bald. It's not very pretty for a girl to do that. I look bald. But I already talked for over 8 minutes. That's insane. And that will be all for now. Have a nice morning, everyone. I will.